Hello everyone, good evening. This is Sangeeta, Assistant Professor, ECE Department, SNS College of Engineering. So in this video, we are going to discuss about email investigation. This video covers what is email investigation, why it is needed, and what are the different types of email crimes, how the investigation can be conducted, what are the tools required for conducting email investigation. So before going to the video, let us have a small recap about analysis and validation. Analysis and validation involves examining the digital evidence and confirming the accuracy and supporting for investigation and legal proceedings. So let us move on to the email investigation. So before that, the emails has become a essential part of our life, not only official, also personal. So we use the emails for communicating with our colleagues, clients, friends, even families. Just think what happens if these emails are used for malicious purpose. That comes an email investigation. So email investigation is a branch of forensic science. So the email investigation is a digital forensic process mainly used to find an evidence from the suspect emails. So there are different types of email crimes. Email spoofing, that is fake emails, email frauds, email bombing, that is sending huge number of mails to individuals, sending threatening emails, defamatory emails, that is this defamatory emails mainly used to damage the reputation and sending malicious code through email. So these are the different email crimes. So we need an email investigation to detect frauds, suspicious phishing, data leakage, and policy abuse or policy violation, and harassment or inappropriate communication, and security incident, malware spread. So this investigations need to analyze or examine the emails for to detect any unauthorized messages or any harmful messages from this document or from the link or from the attachment in the email. So this is the empathy of email investigation. And next, the process of email investigation. So the process of investigation has been conducted across various aspects of email, which includes email messages, IP addresses, email addresses, that is both we need both sender and recipient mail address, date and time, user information, attachments, password logs. All these are involved in the process of email investigation. And the main vital role of email forensics are examine, preserve core evidence. That is, core evidence means the deleted or hidden files restored from the storage, and finally the report. So next we will discuss how to conduct an email forensic investigation. So the email forensic investigation can be done based on the type of files and type of accesses. Suppose there are three platforms: local, computer based, cloud server based, and web based. Suppose if it is a local computer based access, the forensic tools can be directly used to analyze the email data. And if it is a cloud or server based, it requires some permission, some access to server from the provider. And if it is a web based, some filtering methods are used. And next, key steps involved in investigation. First, we have to collect the email data and check for the headers. So header means a sender IP, email routes, and timestamps to trace the IP addresses, to trace the sender and recipient details. And third one is verify authenticity. and extract the attachments, links and documentation with timelines. These are the key steps involved in email investigation. And if it is a server based investigation, so it traces the email origin. And if some email server software or exchange server, exchange public folders, that is pub.adb, exchange private folders, that is priv.adb, streaming data, lotus notes, group wise. So these are the some softwares used for server investigation. Suppose if the details are not available in the server, we can we can extract the details from the network devices. That is, if mail server logs are missing, we can check from the routers, firewalls and ISPs. So also we can use some hash values, MDS and SHA1. So use MDS and SHA1 hashes to prove data integrity. So also it is used to ensure identical copies or stats among legal parties. And next we can use email tracking. So for email tracking we can use JavaScript code. So it is mainly used to better locate or identify a suspect email address. So this is the example tracking tag, that is imgsrc.src, that is http:/yourserver.com/track.jpg, width is equal to 1 and height is equal to 1. By inserting this specific code along http on the image, so we can get the IP addresses, timestamps and browser and OP information from the email. Also, tracking information analysis, we can get ISP, device type, network organization. Some manual methods are also used. Here I have listed some few manual methods for IP identification. That is www.whois.net, www.who.is, www.internet.net/whois.html. So these are some information analysis. So hope this video will help you to understand what is email investigation, how it can be conducted, what are the tools required for email investigation. So this is the assessment time. So my question to all the students are, what is email investigations? What is the JS code used for email investigation? And the last questions are, what are the different types of email crimes? So we will see the answer in the next class. Thank you.